Hi, lovelies. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. Yes, for Flawlessly, I'm doing great. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. In today's review, I want to talk about this cream, Nature White Lotion. Nature White Lotion is a beautiful lotion, a beautiful one. Yes, if you want to glow your skin, to amplify your skin a little, or to maintain your skin tone, please get this Nature White. It's a little bit on the high side, but I will tell you, you will not regret you will not regret any penny. Okay? This is value for money. You will get all it says. If you have sensitive skin, you will have to drop it with this oil or almond oil or sunflower oil or Bauclair oil, even jojoba oil. If you don't even have all of this oil that I've mentioned, get organic shea butter oil. You add it to this for sensitive skin. Yes, I know I've gotten a whole lot of feedback on this cream, on this lotion. For sensitive skin, it leaves them with green vein. The green vein is so obvious, but it's a good cream. If you want to amplify your skin tone, get this. But if you want to step up your game, you want to get that 3 shade lighter, get this cream. You must pro-mix it. That's the truth. You must pro-mix it. Get uh Pudron serum. Pudron serum is so mild. Way mild. Add this to this. Then you can add this oil. I say I love this oil. This oil does wonders. Honestly, it does wonders. Add it. Then get empiderm, the lotion, that small one, the lotion. Add it to this. That is if you want to activate this lotion. Add it to this. Then add little of this and any anti-reaction tube. Add it. For any cream that will react this way, that will give you that green vein. So what I'm talking about here is we're trying to stop all of that green vein, okay, and other reaction. Get all of this that I've mentioned, add it to this. See, it's my cream. Once I'm done with, like I used to say, apply your cream. After 2 weeks, you take a break. So I use this because it's way mild. This cream will just maintain your skin. It will not whiten you. It will not give you 10 shade whiter. Nah. It's just a matured cream. A good cream. Anyone can use it. Yes, anyone. And you will kind of like the feedback. But if you want to lighten up and you use this cream alone, babe, see, it will just glow your skin. That's the truth. It will just make your skin just look a little bit good. You get a little bit glowing. That's all. But if you want it to work well, like I said, you must pro-mix it. Pro-mix this lotion. You will like it. I kind of like this milk. I like it, honestly. It's on my skin regimen. It's part of what I use. Okay? Go try it. Then get a good soap. Good soap. Any soap at all. Whether shower bath, shower gel, whatever kind of soap. Use it with this. You will like the feedback. Okay? Yes, if you find this video helpful, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, drop nice comments. Ask me questions, as in ask me any questions. I will be right on the comment section waiting for you. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.